Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe also. My previous video, in my previous video, the comments have been turned off by YouTube because I didn't follow some guidelines. So yeah, I will take care that this will not happen in this video. It will not happen in this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. You all know what is this video about by the title anyway. So the video is about Swiss Beauty's glitter eyeshadows. So I have ordered these 3 eyeshadows from Nykaa. Yeah, I have ordered these 3 liquid eyeshadows from Nykaa, which are from the brand Swiss Beauty. This is not a paid collaboration. I have ordered 3 shades, which are Rose Gold Retro, Smoky Storm, and Earthly Bronze. So these are the 3 shades, and these two are slightly, on the goldenish side, and the middle one, by the picture, I thought it is kind of silvery, but it is not. It is not silvery. It is almost like bronze. So yeah, I am just like a little dissatisfied with the picture that they have shown, on the website on Nykaa and the reality of the products. I'll put the pictures here, and here of these respective eyeshadows, and you can see the color now. You can compare. Like, they are not the same as shown in the picture, but what they have come, I'm completely in love with them because they are waterproof, they are smudge proof, and you can use them as eyeliner if you use some tricks. You can use them as an eyeliner as well. But as a liquid eyeshadow, these things, they do their job completely. Like, I'm completely satisfied with the job they do. So yeah, these are liquid eyeliner, and I will just swatch these for you guys. As you can see, the swatch. This is in the shade Rose Gold Retro. So this is the shade Rose Gold Retro. It is kind of a rose gold. The shade is completely similar to rose gold. It's a little darker. Like, the rose gold color is not this dark, but it is a little dark. And this is Smoky Storm. Okay, so this is the shade Smoky Storm. So this is kind of metallic. So in the picture, it was seen completely as a silvery color. So I ordered it because I wanted a silver glitter, but it is not silver. But whatever it is actually nice. I'm liking it. And the next shade is 11 Earthly Bronze. 11 Earthly Bronze. So let's try this one. So this is the color. It is 11 Earthly Bronze, and out of 3, I'm liking the rose gold and the stormy storm something. Yeah, but this Earthly Bronze, Earthly Bronze. Yeah, this Earthly Bronze is a color I didn't like too much, but it is okay. We can, for some occasions where we have to wear traditional, we can go with Earthly Bronze. Okay, so now as you guys can see, they are completely smudge proof. They are not, they didn't get smudged. They are smudge proof. I have tried them, and you can see, look at my pretty eyes. The shade I'm wearing right now is the rose gold one, and it looks beautiful. Here in the camera, it may not look too elegant or too vibrant, but yeah, it is like really elegant. The shades are really elegant, and I'm completely satisfied with these completely recommend you guys to go and buy these, and they are priced at 199 per piece. Yeah, so it is 199 rupees per piece. So it is completely worth it because they will come in a long run. So it is completely worth it for you guys to get this. I haven't actually tried the earthy bronze color. I don't know how it will look on my eyes, but I have tried the other two, so I'm completely in love with them, and maybe earthy bronze will also do good on my complexion. So yeah, so that's this for today's video. I hope you liked this video, and this is not sponsored again. So if you are really looking forward to buy these, you can go and buy them because the results are tremendous. The results are really wonderful. So you can go buy them. Also, if you like this video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe.